Question recently, I just purchased this Bravo 1.8. I was told you hold it 2 times, turns blue. You get your app, and heard you just go to the Bravo Jet, bam. You know what I mean? You add a Bravo Jet, skips things. Let's go. So it's not working. So I'm thinking about what should I do? Should I just I don't know. I went ahead and bought another one. See what's going on here. And then I went ahead and just bought this one because I just don't know if this one's gonna work. So I need some vacuum in my house too with. So if anybody got any questions, trying to offer me a little something for this, because I've actually got a bad review on this really. So everything else works fine. Just the thing about it not working properly with the Bluetooth.